Now that's just one of the features on this car. Yulong White Range Rover Sport HSE with them beautiful 22-inch alloy wheels on, genuine wheels, and they make such a difference. Just do your research and see what's available. You'll see that a lot of these cars have the dinky wheels on. And for me, if you're going to spend that sort of money, you want the car to look the part. You want to look at your own car and go, I've done the right thing, I bought the best looking one, and this is beautiful. Yulong White with a black styling pack on, 34,000 miles, 3-litre diesel with the side steps. And then this car's got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, just such a rare extra really to get the full combination. Full service history, 2019 registration, and the car's in a brilliant condition all the way around, inside and outside. It's a new model car. Other little nice features like the sweeping animated indicators there, the full LED headlight and LED daytime running lights. The black styling pack is everywhere on this car. That's a bonnet vents, a side vents, the badging, the grille, the inserts and the bumper, front rear parking sensors. I mean, the car is just fabulous. The drive's superb, the look's superb. When you're buying a used car, there's a few things to look out for. Full service history, condition, dents, scratches, do the smell of cigarettes, is the interior in a good condition, and that's what we're looking for every single time. We are very particular when we're buying and selling cars because we want the best experience for everybody. Now this car's also got things like the black mirror cap covers, the window surrounds, the sun protection glass, comfort access. We talk about this all the time. Comfort access is a brilliant tool, and if you've got it, you use it. It means that when you walk up to the car, it unlocks, and as you walk away, you just press the door handle, it locks, and the wing mirrors fold in. It's amazing. It's something that you will use every single day. This car then has the full black leather interior with a black dashboard. You've then got the Touch Pro navigation system in there with a touch ceramic climate control screen, heated seats, but again, touch sensitive, fully illuminated steering wheel with multifunctional options. You've got the memory seats as well, Meridian sound system. The car is nothing short of fabulous. The way it's been looked after with the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, it's brilliant. I mean, the car's got everything. It's just the navigation, the Bluetooth, the onboard computer. With the split dash and everything, the car's brilliant. You've got 2 keys, centre armrest, lips up with more cubby hole space in there. It's a great car for yourself, for the family, business users, anybody. Rear seats, full leather, ISOFIX attachment, 3-point seat belts, and you've also got rear heated seats as well. The extra speaker system and the door cards there, fully fitted mats front and rear. Moving on to the back, you can see first of all the black section in the corner of the bumpers with the black badging and the black styling on the rear trim. You've also got the animated sweeping indicators on the back as well with the LED brake lights just to follow. Reversing camera system alongside the reversing parking sensors. A very nice generous boot, the tonneau cover to hide all your valuables, and the seats do go down 60-40. Underneath here you have got a spare wheel. It is only a dinky one, but it's better than nothing because most cars don't even come with spare wheels anymore. The car is that nice, the colour, the spec, the history. For me, if you're looking to buy a Range Rover and you thought, you know what, I've seen one and it's £1,000 cheaper. Yes, but if you just quickly calculate what you're getting for the extra £1,000, the bigger wheels, the roof, the black styling, very quickly you can justify it to yourself. Because like I said, if you're going to spend this sort of money, you'd always spend a little bit more and just get the better car. Electric windows, electric mirrors with electric folding mirrors, the full digital dashboard here as you can see with the navigation on there, but you can change that because not everyone wants that. Some people want the navigation down there. I personally think that's the way to drive, but you can change it and have the rev counters on there, no problem. Paddle shifts, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. The reversing camera system in high definition is crystal clear. You can see exactly where you're going to end up. All the guidelines are there as well. Air suspension to go up and down, and the different drive terrains as well. Passenger and driver have their own armrest, and you've also got the full adjustments here with the steering column which goes in and out and also up and down. The sound of the engine, the 3-litre diesel, is nice and powerful, more than enough, with a great combination of miles per gallon. The car will come with a full 12 months MOT, no advisories, and if it is due a service within the next 6 months and 6,000 miles, we will service the car before you get it and update it onto the portal for Land Rover. This is a fabulous car. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp, and I'll be very happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.